Just say these 2 words and witness the arrival of financial miracles in your life. Repeat these 2 words and observe how financial miracles finally manifest in your life. Today, I will reveal 2 words that hold a secret to unlocking any energy that impedes your financial progress. These words have existed since ancient times, imbued with magical power that can completely transform your reality. Without further delay, I unveil why these 2 words can revolutionize our reality, helping us transcend scarcity, poverty, and suffering. In Buddhism, we understand that our thoughts shape our reality. By changing our thoughts, we can break free from the cycles of lack imposed by societal norms. These words carry the essence of mindfulness and right intention, guiding us towards abundance, rooted in compassion and wisdom. To counteract this, the solution is simple: continuously transform your thoughts. As our thoughts change, so do our emotions and ingrained patterns, allowing us to feel abundant and capable of achieving anything. By cultivating unwavering belief, you can shape the reality you truly desire, free from the chaos of current circumstances. Now, I reveal 2 ancient words, known for their profound ability to dissolve barriers to happiness and prosperity. If financial troubles plague you, it likely stems from restrictive beliefs about money, failure to appreciate even the smallest income. Gratitude is crucial. Acknowledge the blessings, whether a new day or a simple breath. Gratitude expands abundance. Moreover, envision what you desire as already yours, aligning your being with the universe's giving nature. Manifestation begins from within. Don't seek outside for miracles. Believe you deserve prosperity and wealth limitlessly, and it will manifest effortlessly. Avoid dwelling on scarcity or engaging in negative money dialogues. Instead, affirm daily, "I am wealthy," imbuing these words with genuine emotion. These affirmations alter thoughts, beliefs, and expectations, yielding different outcomes, away from lack and towards prosperity. Remember, this principle extends beyond finances. It shapes every aspect of life. Transform relationships, health, and overall well-being. Through gratitude and affirmations, foster inner peace and supreme happiness. Conclude each day with a powerful affirmation before sleep, freeing your mind from doubts and limitations. Empower your higher self to dissolve obstacles, awakening spiritually stronger each morning. Practice this nightly, feeling each word deeply. Reprogram your subconscious towards openness, prosperity, and positivity, witnessing daily improvements in all facets of life. Approach this practice with faith, love, and excitement, for these emotions amplify its efficacy. May this guidance bring profound changes to your life. Thank you for watching.